Now let's see the alignment thing. That is place content, place self, and place items. Okay. So what exactly place item consists of? Place is basically, if you can say, it's a combination of justify items and align items. So here, if you see place content first, so first the justify content. What exactly it is? Okay. So justify item, if you see, remember in the place the concept remains same. It has the same seven properties, and we can use to basically if your grid size is access. Okay, suppose the grid, your entire grid size is access, and your grid you have created grid container, grid parent is suppose it's very big, and suppose if your inner childs are very small things, very thin one. So in that case, you can use justify content to either centralize it, stretch it, or end it and start to. So when will this justify content is created? We have seen the fractional unit, right? So fractional unit is the unit of grid which it use. But if we use suppose pixel thing, okay, if I want that each of the grid length is in the pixel instead of fractional unit of proportion or any, so it's in the pixel. So in that case, this justify content and the content of non flexible unit are created. So here it will not be much optimized one. So we can use it accordingly in the grid to set it either in the center or in the end or at the start, or accordingly. If you see this space around, space between, and space evenly. So we have already seen what is space around, space between, space evenly in the flex section, and I guess it's clear. Stretch will automatically stretch each of the items in the maximum possible area which is possible. Start and end. Start is the default one, and end will in the end. So that's it. Any doubt in this flex space around, space between, space evenly? Okay. Similarly, align content. Align content, you can say justified content is for the horizontal extension. Like horizontally, if you have empty space. If vertically we have empty space, then there is something called grid container. Sorry, there's some align content. So here by default, it is at the start, but you can put it at the end, center, stretch, space around, space between, space evenly. So like that, if column is more than your grid content, then in that case you can handle it efficiently, like where it should be placed. So for the UI or the business ideas, it would be more suitable. Okay, so place content is a combination of align content and justify content. So here if I put stretch and start, what exactly it says that in case sometimes the grid, both the row and column is set, so by align content should be stretched, that is this one, and means it will take maximum of the height, and your justify content would be the start one. So justify content is start one, that is at the beginning it should be there. So like that you can have align content and justify content together in the place content. Okay, so similarly we have justify item. Okay, what exactly justify item is, you can suppose if there is a grid, okay, and a grid, suppose if there is all the inner cells, grid cell is having a different length. Okay, it's not the proper, it is not taking the proper width, but grid container size is perfect, like it's there, but the inner child has some issues. So in that case we can use grid justify items to basically align your inner items. So here if we put start, all the things come at the start way, like everything will be at the starting. End way, all the inner cells content would be at the end. Then in center, all the inner child center would be items would be center. And stretch is basically the stretched version of all of them. Okay. Similarly, align content, align item is basically same thing in the column way. So if column, your what we say, inner grid item cells are very small, like very single line, and suppose grid is multi-line. In that case, you can say how the align item should be there. So your align item would basically all the inner child would be aligned in the column way. So column wise. So here we can say at the start, everything would be the start, end would be everything would be the end, center would be everything centralized, and stretched is by default. Everything would be the stretched one. So your grid cell will take the almost all the area. So we have already seen that justify item, justify self, that these two property are not in the flex. That are the grid, and they are play a crucial role here. Okay. Similarly, we have something called just what we say, justify self, align and align self. So what exactly it is? Suppose this is one of the cell. Okay, I want all the cells should be just item end. It should be aligned item end. But this cell I want to be at the align item top. So in that case, you can change align self here at the top. So it will change one of the property. This one of the cell align self would change the property of align items. Similarly, in the justify items, I want everything should be at the end, but this one should be at the beginning. Okay, this one item. So I can take this child property and put justify self at start. So it will automatically make that property at the start. Okay, so that's how justify itself and justify items work. Justify self and align self work. Similarly, place self is there, so that is the combination of align self and justify self. Okay, so that's it, I guess, for today.